Let's see, is it dark? Does this look dark? Turn this light on. Whoa. Oh, God.
Hello, Shining Light, and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you pressure points, also known as acupressure points, that can help reduce anxiety by promoting relaxation and calming the nervous system. Here are a few pressure points that may alleviate anxiety. Let's get comfortable and jump right in. The first pressure point, known as yin tang, or the third eye. Its location is between the eyebrows in the center of the forehead. We want to find this place where we gently press or massage this point in small circles for 1 to 2 minutes. This pressure point is known for relieving stress, anxiety, and insomnia. Our second point is called the pericardium 6, or Nye Guan. It's located about 3 finger widths below the wrist, between the 2 tendons on the inner side of the arm. We want to apply gentle pressure with your thumb for 1 to 2 minutes, or use circular motions. This pressure point helps calm the mind, reduces anxiety, and relieves nausea caused by stress. Our third pressure point is Heart 7, also known as Shen Men. It's located on the inside of the wrist, at the crease in line with the pinky finger. We apply gentle pressure or massage for 1 to 2 minutes. The benefits of this pressure point is known to calm the heart and mind, easing anxiety, stress, and insomnia. Our next pressure point is the Union Valley, known as large intestine 4. It's located in the webbing between your thumb and index finger. We pinch and hold this area for 1 to 2 minutes while breathing deeply. It's often used for headaches and stress relief, and it may also help reduce anxiety. Our fifth point is Kidney 1, also known as Yang Guan. The location is on the sole of our foot, about 1/3 of the way down from the toes, in that depression between the second and the third toe. We want to massage this area with your thumb for 1 to 2 minutes. This point can help ground energy, calm the mind, and reduce anxiety. Our sixth and final pressure point for relieving anxiety is called Governing Vessel 20, also Bai Hui. It's located at the top of the head in line with the ears. We want to gently press with our fingers for 1 to 2 minutes. This pressure point is used to promote calmness and relieve stress. Regularly applying pressure to these points can help manage anxiety symptoms over time. Combining this with deep breathing techniques can enhance its calming effects. Some enhancements may be to lie still in a quiet pose for a few minutes after using these pressure points. If this video has been helpful, please give me a thumbs up and hit that notification bell for more tips on how to relieve stress, anxiety, and depression. We'll see you next time. Thank you, thank you, thank you.